ठीक है। ट्रायंगल ऑफ auscultation. What is triangle of auscultation? Triangle of auscultation is an area on the back of the body that is not covered by a big muscle. It is bounded medially by the lateral border of the trapezius muscle. This diamond shaped muscle is trapezius muscle. Laterally by the medial border of scapula, and inferiorly it is bounded by upper border of latissimus dorsi, that is the big muscle of the back. So this is area which is not covered by the any big muscle and lies between 6th and 7th rib. This is an area where we can auscultate the respiratory sounds clearly. This is used clinically to auscultate the respiratory sound. This is triangle of auscultation. ठीक है, हो गया क्लियर? अभी आपको हमेशा याद रहेगा।